So in this section, we're looking at pastries. So we're looking at pastries we've used with the Verstegen Will Grill, and we've also used our own pastry as well that you can get from Dalziel as well. So Colin, fantastic looking restaurant quality products again. Can you just talk through these products as well, because they look fantastic?
Yeah, no problem. Same again. I mean, the colours say everything for themselves, don't they? We've got pork and garlic wrap. We're using the lattice pastry. We've got honey mustard crescents, and then we've got beef and peppercorn steak bake.
Yeah, these ones, they were all good, Colin. These ones, especially like these ones, when you cut them open. Talk about the steak you used inside there.
It's all the offcuts of steak from your rump, the first slice of rump, and you back into your sirloin. So we strip that small. We use sliceable peppercorn sauce, but we've diced it nice and small, so it's dispersed right through. We've just changed the shape a little bit. It's a little bit different take on a pasty, isn't it? So when you do cut into that, you're getting all that sauce all over.
And the way you crimped them yesterday just looks professional as well there, Colin.
Well, when that cooks up, that really looks like a rope all the way around. It's a nice crispy bit for the pastry there. Definitely.
And the Verstegen Will Grill obviously visually looks fantastic, doesn't it? You know, so
exactly.
Colin, I really like these Dalebrook trays we've selected here to do it.
They're brilliant.
I think they lend themselves really well with pastry. I think the fact that they're black slate looks really well. The contrasting colour looks great, but professional looking, solid, sturdy. We talked about hot spots earlier on. I mean, this is great because you can use it as a riser effect as well.
You can use the 2, the 3, just one slate, so you get that lovely height definition. As you say, anybody walking past your counter or looking in your counter, they'll be drawn straight to these. The colours, and as I say, the height just accentuates them so much more.
And cooking, again, 25-30 minutes yesterday, Colin, was it?
Exactly, no longer than that, no longer at all.
So restaurant quality meal in 25-30 minutes, absolutely phenomenal again, Colin, isn't it? You know,
superb.
So, brilliant. QR code again, Colin, with these?
Perfect. Because all these products, they're brilliant raw on the counter, but don't forget, on your screens or on your social media, we've actually got cook shots as well. And the cook shots of these lattice, it really just browns up lovely. It's
they look good, don't they?
It really does. And honey mustard as well, same again, that one, the colour as well, perfect when it's all puffed up and nice.
And the contrast of the 3 is good, isn't it? So, what Will Grills on this one, Colin?
We use Spanish Harbour for this one. So it's a lovely garlic taste with a little hint of lemon. That's why I've garnished that with a bit of lemon. Visually, again, you've got your green and red flecks in there.
So Verstegen Spanish Harbour, Verstegen honey mustard.
Honey mustard. That's exactly what it says on the tin. I mean, look at the colour there.
Yeah, super.
And we use corresponding sliceable sauces as well. So honey mustard inside the crescents. We've got the garlic in this one. And we've got the peppercorn in the steak bake.
Again, from Verstegen, visually look fantastic as well.
They do.
Thank you very much.